Are you?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
You never mentioned.
Oh, there they go right there. Hi, I'm right here. Take a picture of me.
Can I?
Oh,
take a picture of this weenie.
Oh, I'm the star
Take a picture of this weenie right
King
here.
of Vermont.
Thank you.
Yeah, take a picture of this
David
right
J.
here.
That could be you.
What do you want?
Napkin.
Regular, like
I know.
original, or extra crispy? She didn't ask what
wanted
flavor
it.
I wanted for my
Really?
strips. Like nothing.
That's terrible. I have no idea.
Open the door
Ah.
and get all that crap out of my car.
Oh my god, Dave, where's the napkins? I don't know. You want me to get grease all over the place?
Yes, I want you to open the door. And
Dave, I don't have any napkins and I'm not wiping it on me. I don't know how you could eat. Like, I mean, it's really greasy. It's very laden with fat.
Yeah.
It's horrible. Ugh. I mean, oh god, I was really looking forward to my Chick-fil-A.
Did you know we're doing a mukbang right now?
Oh god, Dave, no. It's all greasy. See, that's what I thought. It's just a donut.
But it's hot.
Is that what these are? Dave. Just talking to herself. Oh, she's having a conversation with herself. Look, Dave.
Trying to convince yourself not to tell us.
Oh, look. Oh, look. Can I get a bite, please? Please. Can I have a bite? Dave. Oh god, that was really good. That donut's really good, actually. Oh, there's another thing. She didn't give us anything. You know that she never gave us any napkins.
What about our sauce?
There's nothing. Oh my god, that donut looks so good. It's got my name on it. Oh my god.
Where's your receipt?
I can't believe it. We don't even have any napkins. Fuck. I don't have my bag to have napkins and that way. I know, huh? God, you're so freaking good. If I can't. Say hello. Meow. Meow, 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 meow. Rescue me. I'm at the Glendora Pet Smart. What's your name? Bon. No, you're not 7 months. Where is he? Here, boy. Shadow. He's called Shadow. Hey, boy. Look, he's deliberately hiding from me. Shadow. Alright, August is 27. And this is what Dave, the Uber slave is, Dave Levadas. He was born July 22nd, 1976.
Do you know what's special about that?
What?
My birthday?
The 22nd on 76. You were born that day.
Yeah, exactly. Also, 1976 is the bicentennial year for the United States.
And it was a year after Elvis died. No, he died in 77.
I know. You know what? As in my childhood, I remember a lot about Elvis and the Vietnam War.
You know what I want to do is have the GoPro set on my horse, so jumping over the fences, you know, so you see me like going up to the fence with the horse and turning the corners and.
This is hyper smooth.
We got Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
I need some.
Oh, okay. You can record.
Well, yeah, I'm just recording. Let's
Okay.
see that. I don't know. Maybe I'll
You're good
post
because I always
it.
have my hands over the camera. Lena.
I know. It was like
Oh,
when I
man,
was
that-
talking to Dave on that video. What the,
Oh, it should
yeah,
fall.
oh God,
Yeah, you should follow that.
that would be hilarious falling over that. No, when I was out biking and Dave called me on the mountain bike ride, I'm holding, I think, this phone. Oh shit! Fuck.
That was locked.
Anyway.
Be careful. I can see that lock.
Look, that's the Watkins. What? Watkinsville Garden, 50 years, 1941. What is it, Nancy?
What?
What is that? What's first about?
That women they used to come out and
Look
plant
at that
towns,
bridge.
They don't do that anymore. But they plant that fake nose that needs to be stopped. Here comes a car. Comes a car.
Oops, better not fall over this. What time is it? So,
20 after 6.
anyway, guys, I was live earlier. And sorry, but we lost signal. All of our phones and everything went dead. We had no Wi-Fi.
Yeah, no Wi-Fi, no something. You ready to go?
Cal.
Ready
Oh
to
my
move
God,
on to
I need to
6:20. It's going to be dark.
Anyway, guys, we are
It's gonna
okay.
get dark.
I'm still looking for the cemetery again. This is such a cool bridge again.
Yeah.
It's so nice. I wish you were live with me walking over it, but... oh, fuck. Oh, God. It's really slippery. It's slippery. Okay, guys. Oh, I better watch where I'm going, okay? Keep the eyes on the road and if...
This that rain.
Vigo. Oh. Where's Vigo? Where's Vigo? Where's Rigger? Oh, no. Where's Rigger? Vigo. Vigo. Hello. Vigo. Why are you ignoring me? Why are you ignoring me? No, come on. Vigo.